how to share your Cash App profile link or your QR code to someone. To share your Cash App profile link so that people can send you money, you can just usually share your Cashtag or your QR code by taking a screenshot and sharing to someone. But you can also do this manually. If you tap on your profile icon from the top right, then again you'll find this little share icon, which is this upper arrow pointing upwards right here. So when you tap on it, you'll find the option to just copy it. So when you copy it, you have copied it and you can send that to anybody anywhere else. So let's say you want to send it to someone on Instagram. You can simply open up Instagram right here and you can simply search for that person you want to send it to. Then you can just go ahead and then just paste the particular code that you copied right here, and once you paste it, you can just see the cash.app link and the QR code or the cash tag right there, and then once done you should be able to share it to that person. But either way, this is the way on how you should be able to share your Cash App QR code to someone. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.